هاي حجي شنو هاي حجي؟
أخفقت فيه كافة الجهود الدولية والعربية 2043 وخطة النقاط في سوريا.
What I can confirm is that there was a shooting at Herat. The shooter has worn the uniform of the Afghan National Police.
I confess to them that words are always inadequate in these kinds of situations.